Insights. So those of you that aren't aware, there are 3 different Insights products within the Dynamics family. One is Customer Service Insights, so that helps you with your contact center, number of sentiment analysis, call stats, things like that. The other is Sales Insights, so projections on forecasts, how closing is going, again, another sentiment analysis. But what we're going to talk about is Customer Insights. Customer Insights is a customer data platform. It is meant to be able to integrate and unify data from many disparate, separate sources. How you do that is you define all of your sources, and there are over 24 different types of connections. So if anything is able to be connected to, there's probably a hook for it in Customer Insights. And then what you do is essentially go through and say, well, I've identified a customer in my CRM with this unique identifier. I have one in my commerce system with this identifier. I have one on my website sign in as this. Whatever system you may be using, you get to take those into Customer Insights and say, if they have the same name, the same email, and the same state as an example, Customer Insights is smart enough to say, that's the same customer. And then what you can do is build measures or metrics, if you want to think of it that way, whether it's for the person or business measures to say, I want to be able to understand, what's the average online spend, or how many customers do we lose per month? And now you're able to look across all those data sources to figure out how you want to compile those statistics. What's nice about Customer Insights is that you can turn around and put it into essentially any other product on the Power Platform. Power Apps, Dynamics, Power BI. You can take these tiles and insert them into other places. Additionally, you can build models, so machine learning and AI models to say, let's try and predict when somebody may drop, or how can we predict spend and what are the attributes that build that? And because you are able to pull from multiple sources of data, you have a bigger set of information to be able to say, this one customer has all of these affecting variables, now let's build a model on it. It's extremely cool. It is a per tenant, so it's not a per user license. And as I mentioned, we are exploring ways to use this and going to be focusing on a touch Customer Insights offering here shortly.